Welcome to Channel Today in History. In today's video we will talk about the day, July 26, 1908, FBI Foundation. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, is the main investigative branch of the U.S. Department of Justice. Its head offices are located in Washington, and there are 56 local offices in major U.S. cities, as well as more than 400 small town and village-based agencies across the nation, and more than 50 international offices in U.S. embassies in various countries. U.S. law authorizes the Attorney General to designate officials to uncover crimes against the United States, while various federal statutes give the FBI authority and responsibility to investigate specific crimes. The FBI was created on the initiative of Attorney Charles Bonaparte, who on July 26, 1908, requested the hiring of 9 detectives, 13 investigators for civil rights matters, and 12 accountants to investigate cases of fraud and violations of trade laws, combined of research that until that moment had been carried out by Secret Service agents, but which had no direct dependence on the prosecution, which hindered their investigative work. Its jurisdiction would be national, not state, which at the time was considered very controversial, given the federal character of the country's constitution. The first major expansion in FBI jurisdiction came in June 1910, when the Mann Act was enacted, making it a federal offense to transport women from one state to another for immoral purposes. This law also gave the federal government powers to investigate offenders who violated state laws, even though they had not transgressed federal laws. In the following years, the number of special agents increased to more than 300. Local FBI offices were created in major cities across the country, each headed by a special agent, who was responsible to Washington headquarters. Many offices were set up in cities near the Mexican border to control smuggling, neutrality violations, and intelligence operations, in particular regarding the Mexican Revolution. In 1919, former director of the Secret Service, William J. Flynn, was named director of the FBI. The new law on motor vehicle theft authorized the agency to pursue criminals crossing state lines. Between 1921 and 1933, gangsterism and public contempt for the ban on the sale and import of alcoholic beverages became widespread, in addition to the resurgence of the Ku Klux Klan. Investigations and effective action in these cases have earned the FBI prestige and respect among citizens. During President Harding's tenure, Agency Director William J. Burns appointed a 26-year-old young attorney, John Edgar Hoover, as Assistant Director. In 1924, in the next administration, the attorney made him Director of the FBI. Hoover would revolutionize the agency, making it one of the most powerful institutions in the United States to date. Did you like the video? In the description you will find the blog link with the full article. Give an incentive by subscribing to the channel, liking, commenting, and sharing with your friends. Hugs. Until the next.